Good morning. Today we are discuss an important topic: Introduction to Industrial Engineering. Learning objective of this video: we consider Industry 4.0 revolution. Then we discuss changes in industry or challenges in industry. Definition of industrial engineering. Objective of industrial engineering. What is the role of engineer? Then various techniques used in industrial engineering. So basically there are four revolutions in history. So in first revolution, means at the end of 18th century, there is an introduction of manufacturing plants with the help of hydropower and steam. And in second phase, that is beginning of 20th century, so by introduction of shared mass production with the help of electric energy. In third revolution, that is beginning of the 1970, we consider as a third revolution by electronics and IT for enhanced automation in production. And industrial 4, that is the use of or based on cyber physical system, means use of internet. So this is nothing but revolution, industrial revolution 4. So best example of industrial revolution 4 means a time to reach 100 million customer. So telephone required 75 years, then web 7 years, Facebook 4 years, Instagram 2 years, and Pokemon game that required only 1 month. So this is a impact of industry 4. So if you see today's factory plant layout, so it should be a rigid sequence car manufacture on production line, means product pass from station 1 to station 2, later on 3, 4 and so on. But in tomorrow's factory scenario, while considering industry 4 revolution, it will be decoupled, fully flexible, high integrated manufacturing system, means flexible in all aspect. Then there are various challenges in industry. First one, that is a customer requirement or need of customer. Then second challenge, that is a cycle time reduction to minimize waste, minimize energy, minimize cost. Then time to market for aspect of product development, quality control, operation excellence, cost reduction, structuring, empowering for flexibility. Then manage challenging. These are the various challenges in industry. So typical focus area of industrial engineering include project management, means industrial engineering not limited up to production, but it will be extended up to service sector also. So focus area of industrial engineering, that is project management, manufacturing, then production, distribution, supply chain management, productivity, method, process engineering, quality measurement and improvement, program management, ergonomics, human factor, technology development and transfer, strategical planning, management challenge and financial engineering. So these are the various focus area of industrial engineering. Then main objective of industrial engineering to manage input resources, which include man, management, material, machine, energy, money, information, which create a system. That system design, implementation, development and improve. So this is the main objective of industrial engineering, to improve productivity or proper utilization of resources. So why industrial engineering? So as we already said, there is a competition, demand, challenges in industry, then produce good of right quantity, quality, within time, with minimum cost. So industry play a vital role in meeting these challenges. So we have various techniques in industry engineering to analyze and improve the work method to eliminate waste, proper allocation and utilization of resources. So according to definition, according to American Institute of Industry Engineering, that is AIIE, define industry engineering as follow. So industry is concerned with design, improvement and installation of integrated system of man, material, equipment. It drawn upon a specialized knowledge and skill in the mathematical, physical science, together with principle and method of engineering analysis, and designed to specific, predict and evaluate the result to be obtained from such system. So such type of system to maintain some output, that is nothing but industry engineering. So objective of industry engineering: to enhance or efficient use of material, machinery, human resources by reducing cost and improve production. So basic example for industry engineering, that is earlier and modern example about manufacturing. So in car assembly, the original work cell assembly method, Henry Ford idea of assembly line follow the efficiency involved in the cattle. So a photograph itself or self-explanatory, the difference between earlier moving assembly line at Ford and modern car assembly line. Means in modern assembly line there is a fully automated and good environmental conditions and use of robots at the works in car assembly. And this is a photograph of modern car assembly line of Volkswagen in Dresden. So innovative application, many type of organization such as manufacturing, computer, semiconductor, biomedical devices, consulting, then hospitals, restaurant chain, hotel chains, airlines, airports, government agency, armed force, worldwide distribution and delivery companies, entertainment companies and retail chain. Means it's not limited up to manufacturing, it's extend up to service sector also. Means industry engineering we can apply anywhere at any location to improve productivity, production or improve output. So there is a basic difference between industrial and system engineering. One and the same thing, only we consider as a minor. So what do you industrial and system engineering? So these are number of points. And what are some jobs? So this is some information regarding industrial engineering and system engineering. So if you go through history in industrial engineering, so earlier concept in 1776 to 1880, there is a labor specialization. Means just paid for money for some work, only there is a relation between work and money. Then in 1880 to 1910, there is a scientific management era. Means proper study of motion, time study to reduce cycle time. Then 1910 to 1980, there is a mass production era. Means produce number of product in economical orders. In 1980 to 1995, there is a lean production era. Means that is a quality focus, application of computers, then quality management techniques. Then onward 1995 till date, that is a customization focus, that is mass production, lean then quality. In this way there is a significant changes in industrial engineering. Then what is the role of industrial engineer in company? So there are various role and responsibility of industrial engineering, such as improve quality of product and services, minimize cost, improves security, reduce risk, minimum delay, improve accommodation over the display, improve quality of work life of employee, improve service to customer, reduce human error, improve on time performance. There is a contribution to industrial engineering. So Adam Smith work on scientific management, James Watt work on mechanical power. Then major contribution, that is Fabric Taylor, which work on scientific training of worker, data collection, then division of work. Then again Henry Gantt work on area in the motivation. Then likewise Gilbreth work on micromotion study, then immersion, then debate. So there are a number of researchers which work on industrial engineering to improve quality of product or proper utilization of resources. So there is an approach of industrial engineering to handle problem. At problem identification definition stage, following steps must be taken. First, all the facts about the operation are collected and recorded using various recording techniques like chart, diagram or model. Second, critical examination of all facts by asking series of questions. Third, alternative way are found by technique like brainstorming based upon the critical fix. For evaluation, the best alternative is selected. So in last, there are various techniques used in industrial engineering to improve the productivity. Following tools and techniques are used to improve productivity of the organization by optimum utilization of resources, such as first method studies, time study, motion economy, then financial and non-financial incentives, value analysis, production planning control, inventory control, job evaluation, material handling, aerodynamics, system analysis, operation research techniques. So these are various method study basically work to improve existing method to minimize cycle time. Then second, time study, that is work measurement to evaluate a standard time of qualified worker. So qualified worker means a worker which produce a product with quality, with quantity, and by considering all safety measures. So standard time evaluate by of average worker to considering all allowances. Then next, that is motion economy, which work on various motion of laborers or worker, which minimize path or improve all gestures or motions of labor to minimize repetitive tasks or repetitive movements. Then considering financial and non-financial incentives regarding cost. Then value analysis, or value analysis of, or we consider as value engineering. So in this we consider a proper value of product by various factors to minimize cost. Then next technique, that is production planning and control. So we consider all resources, then their proper planning means routing, scheduling, line balancing. So these are various steps involved in production planning and control to manage production line. Then inventory control, or we work on stock of finished product, semi-finished product and raw material. Then job evaluation of worker. So in this technique, the main purpose to evaluate the that is man or working time of man. Then next, that is material handling analysis. So in this technique we take care about material should be move from one place to another place with minimum time and safely. Next, that is ergonomics. So ergonomics, considering human engineering, means proper combination of machine and man. Then next, system analysis and operation research technique. So operation research techniques include selection of optimum solution among all available solution with considering all constraints. Okay, so we just quickly revise our all points of this session. So Industry 4 revolution, that is based on cyber physical system, means system collaborated with internet things, with including third revolution, second and first, that is considering all electronics, IT, then considering electric energy or mechanical energy also. Then maybe tomorrow's factory, that is fully flexible, highly integrated manufacturing system as compared to existing. Then various challenges in industry. Then typical focus area of industrial engineering. Then what is industrial engineering? That is proper utilization of resources, proper utilization of money, information and energy of system which design, implement and develop to improve productivity. So why industrial engineering? Then definition of industrial engineering in simple word. What is industrial engineering? Industrial engineering to improve productivity by using proper utilization of resources. This is simple meaning of industrial engineering. So same objective of industrial engineering: efficient use of material, machinery, human resource by reducing cost and improve production. So this is best example, means earlier assembly line of car and modern assembly line of car, and these are the various applications of industrial engineering. So there are number of application including manufacturing services, computer, semiconductor, biomedical devices, consulting, hospital, restaurant chain, hotel chain, and number of applications. Then industrial and system engineering. So we discuss what are some jobs are industrial and system engineering field. So industrial engineer, system engineer, manager engineer, quality engineer, production engineer, logistic planner, supply chain manager, plant manager, then director of planning, process engineer. There are number of jobs available in this field. Then we discuss about history. So basically three parts of history, that is cost focus, quality focused, and customization focus. And this is the main topic, that is role of industrial engineer. So what is role? To improve quality, minimize cost of product, improve security, reduce risk, minimize delay, improve accommodation, improve quality of work life, reduce human error, and so on. Then major contribution, that is Adam Smith, James Watts, Charles Babbage, Frederick Taylor, Henry Gantt, Frank Leland, Gilbert, Emerson, and Tippett. There are various steps of industrial approach: collection of data, then record, examine, and find out solution, best alternatives. These are various techniques used of industrial engineering. So in this way we have discussed about introductory part of industrial engineering. So in this topic we learn about industry 4.0 revolution, challenges in industry, then definition, basic definition of industrial engineering, objective of industrial engineering, role of industrial engineer, and various techniques used in industrial engineering. So thank you for listening. Thank you.